consultants, Sir Benjo Ramos and Sir Patch Caballero, who's been there with us since day one of training. Sila yung training sa amin ng tactical moves, pigititir siya, and they also joined us on set, you know, to guide us sa proper positionings and everything tactical-wise. So I want to give a shout out to those guys.
Yes, maraming salamat po. And kanina rin when Direk Lester was discussing yung pain, si Anthony, Anthony sabi niya, pero worth it. Worth it naman, oo nga. Now, we would also like to know about your roles na po. Each one, pwede po bang kwentuhan niyo kami without spoiling too much, no? Pero nakita naman natin yung trailer, so you have an idea na kung ano na yung medyo pwede nang malaman ng ating mga kapamilya. So please tell us about your roles. Let's start with Kai. Kyla Estrada, yes?
Okay, saan ka pa talaga nag-start? So, my character's name is Max Alvero, and she is, according to Sir Ian's character. Sir Ian? Tito Ian's character. Kuya Ian, sorry. She is considered to be one of the best hackers that he knows. So very technical yung role ni Max dito and yung role niya in the team. But she's also very skilled physically. Sorry, just wanted to set that out. But yeah, so she's the hacker of the team. And her personality, she's very, I would say she's a pretty stoic person. And she's very business is business, and that's kind of her personality. And yeah, I feel like it works well with a team of very colorful personalities.
Thank you very much, Kai. Kahit ginulat kita. Ang ganda ng sagot mo, Kai.
Okay, and we'll go on with next, Anthony.
Si Tomas, yung character ko dito, ano siya? Matapang. Tapos siguro, ano lang siya eh, parang mahirap lang siya. Pero, yun nga eh, kulang-kulang din siya. Pero, ayun, meron siyang tapang and, ano siya eh, hindi siya discharged soldier. Parang hindi siya graduate kasi nagkaroon ng problema. Pero, ayun, nahanap ako ng mga to. Tapos, basta panoorin, nakita.
Thank you, Anthony. At ang napaka-sexy si Maris Racal.
Hindi kasi pagdating ko dito na ano ako sa gate.
At sumabit! Napunit! Yung pala yun, guys. Yung pala.
Pagkain niyo po sa CCTV. Hindi ko nga din alam ba't ko ito sinuwate. Anyway, yung name ng character ko dito ay si Gabriela Rivera. And sa grupo, she's also magaling din siya sa hand-to-hand combat, tactical, yung fight, but yung specialty, yung ano niya dito, yung skill niya talaga dito, they call it the honeypot, so she infiltrates different groups, so she will be dealing with a lot of people. She's a shapeshifter-ish, and she speaks a lot of different languages.
On the brains.
So she's a spy.
Spy?
Yeah, she's a spy of the group. Yes.
Ooh, okay.
Well, yeah, yun ang sabi ko pa rin. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Maris. Okay, next we have Baron.
Yeah, hello. Pumiyak ka. Hello. Yung character ko dito, sobrang mabuting tao.
Change of
medyo kinailangan na may workshop nila Miss Des, Sir Henry, and the team. Hindi, pumagay naman kasi sa character ko, yung pangalan niya is Miguel Texon. Ang dami niyang skills set and ang laking tulong niya doon sa grupo kasi isa po siyang napakagaling na sniper. Isa rin po ako sa medic, doktor ng team, and isa rin po akong alcoholic. Recovering alcoholic. I think natutuwa po ako kay sa Pool of Writers na Incognito na hindi lang pagdabol sa war, pati na rin yung pagdabol sa mental health and awareness na what addiction and kung ano pang mga PTSD at kung ano-ano pa mga sakit na dinideal ng mga bawat characters dito. So maraming matututunan ang mga manonood dito.
So aside from the action, no, meron pang ibang mapupulot ang ating mga kapamilya pag nanood sila ng Incognito.
That's exactly right.
Okay, now let's go to Ian Veneracion.
Ako naman po, ang character ko dito, ako yung pinakabunso. So si Kuya DJ at si Kuya Charge. I play the role of Greg Paterno, and he has a long history of military service, has worked overseas, and he's a tactician, he's a planner, and siya yung makikipag-negotiate for the whole team. And then siya rin ang nagbe-brief kung ano yung situation, anong gagawin. And yun. And pero sarili niya, marami rin siyang nakaraan na unresolved issues, personal issues, na hindi ko pa siguro dapat i-disclose. Pero along the way, makikita rin kasi yung individual journey ng kada character. That's I think what makes it really interesting. Hindi lang siya action na nabagilan no. It's 7 different characters and different phases in their journey. Tapos nagtatagpo-tagpo sila. So minsan maganda yung minsan swak yung dynamics. Minsan may tension between characters. So it's really interesting.
So may depth din yung characters nila. But ako, I also want to ask, kasi fan talaga ako ni Ian Veneracion. We know that you fly also, di ba? You're a pilot. So magagamit niyo ba yun dito?
Lahat ng skills namin, lahat siguro, nagagamit namin dito.
Ooh, exciting.
Very excited. Sa trailer pa lang, di ba? That's a good teaser pa lang. Alright, next we'll have Richard.
Yes, ako dito si Jose Bonifacio, discharged ex-Navy SEAL. Very competitive, very competent, mission-based yung objective lagi ni JB dito. Isa sa mga main objectives niya ay makabalik sa military. And I also come from a family of military men. So, exciting. Action character.
And now let's have Daniel Padilla.
Andres Malvar, Dugong Igorot, Makatao, at Discharged Scout Ranger. Yun ang muna.
Short but sweet, oo. Pero tama nga, baka talagang we're left wanting for more, di ba? So January na po yan, mga kapamilya. At ngayon, ito na, itatanong na rin natin yung mga iba pang mga questions from our dear